Okay, let's see what we got out here. Beautiful.
It was really blowing last night. It was really neat listening to it in the trailer. You can see how the snow is all whipped up on the one side of the tree. So Zach's outside and he is taking some drone footage for you guys. And my job is to get the fire started. Well, the paper's burning, so we'll see if the wood catches as well. Oh, nice. Look at that go.
When I came out this morning, I could smell propane, and it's got me a little bit worried. I can still smell it a little bit around the box here. So I think I've got a leak. Let's take a look and see if we can figure out what's going on. Yeah, it's faint, but I can still smell a little bit. I think we may have a very, very small leak. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some soapy water and we're just gonna soak the fittings and see if we can find the bubbles that are coming out. Okay, so I sprayed all the lines and all the way down in the regulator. I sprayed it all. The problem is it's freezing almost as fast as I can spray it. But I couldn't see any leaks in anything. None of the fittings down there, the line. I took this off, and in here there was a little piece of wood, like a little sliver of wood, that was right on that rubber gasket inside. So I think what was happening is when I tightened it up, probably because this tank, I just put this tank in before we left, and it had a little piece of wood in there, and it was just holding it from sealing just enough. So I cleaned it all up, stuck it back on. I've got it open right now, and I can't smell anything, but we'll come back and check it out in a couple hours and see if we can smell anything.
This bean smells so good. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's ready, babe. Let's get going.
So, how's your coffee? It tastes better on the wood stove?
It certainly took a lot longer. Next time I think the fire has to be going fully before we start it.
Yeah.
But it is good coffee.
Okay, so what are we going to eat for breakfast this morning?
I'm going to try to make corn tortillas. I brought some corn flour and I even brought a tortilla press. So I already measured this out. Just add a little bit of salt.
It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I'm just trying to knead it, but this bowl is like painfully small, so. Hold on. I think you just put it on like this. I didn't get the puff that I'm supposed to. I think it might be a bit too dry.
It's like watching paint dry.
I can't believe it, I got the puff. Maybe I should have cooked it a bit longer. That was exciting. I think we'll do 2 tortillas because I think it's going to be too small just for one. Clean, refried beans, I guess. Not black, they're pinto, I think.
Looks pretty good. It's very good. The fried cheese, very good.
Sunny. You're crazy.
Come on. So how's our little hiking dog?
He's a little bit
boy.
snowy. How are we going to get you melted? How are we going to get you melted? Man, that was a really good workout, hey?
Oh yeah, big time.
Oh, with all the fresh snow. Maggie is pooped, hey?
Okay, I think I'm gonna cut some firewood
Yeah.
and get a fire going,
That sounds real good.
and cut some little firewood for the stove inside.
And I'll watch you.
Ha.
It's good to have support when you're doing these tasks.
Okay, Suze, what are we having for snacks?
Well, I've got a lot of leftover corn tortillas from this morning, so I've been having fun experimenting with my wood stove, so I thought I would fry the corn tortillas in some oil on the wood stove, and then we'll dip them in hummus.
Well, looks pretty good. Okay. Very good. You want to come in closer? So we got the tripod set up and we're just kind of making a soup. We've got a little bit of pasta in there already, and then it's just what is it, Suze? Puree?
I made a pumpkin soup.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so just warming it up. See what it looks like. Ooh, it is cooking well.
Oh, I think that's ready, baby.
It's good. Okay, we're going to be wrapping up this video right here. We just had a beautiful meal and we've been watching some stars, but now we're going to go inside. It's been a long day. We're going to have a nice warm shower and then it's lights out. So thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.